Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today I've come to IMM mall, which is again outlet premium mall where you're going to get amazing discounts, and it's going to be really good. Especially the deals that you get from here is just way out there, and I don't think you'll be getting these deals, especially the brands like Coach, Louis Vuitton and all that. So it's really good, and I think once you definitely got to check it out here, and you also get VAT refund and all that. So I'd highly recommend you to come here, and let's see what this mall has to offer. And mostly it's for premium stuff. So, and not just premium stuff when I say from a ultra luxury, right? You can get Nike, Puma, you can get all your Jordans, all that stuff out there, right? So let's go and see what we have out there, and let's check it out, guys. So we have New Balance there. Puma has a lot of offers, so 70% off. I actually got one Ferrari t-shirt from there. It's pretty good. So we have North Face, but not a fan. Yeah, but probably I'll go for Nike. So we have Coach, Vans is here, Under Armour is there. Adidas. What do they have in Adidas? If I get a Yeezy, probably I might consider. Yeah. I don't know if they have Yeezys though. Do they have Yeezys? Should I gamble? I don't know if they'll have one. But they do have good discounts. I see like the buy 2 20%, buy 3 30%. That's pretty cool. Just check anyways. Okay, so now let's just keep going. We have Under Armour here, and then there's Tewa. I'm not sure how do you pronounce it, but yeah, these people have good discount actually. If you see Charles and Katie, you definitely should get it from here because it's a Singaporean brand. Yeah, and it's always crowded here. Okay, what do they have here? This is Pedro. Not really sure. Okay, they have Tiger here. And guys, all these are outlet prices. They have Nike. I don't think it is open yet, but yeah, we'll definitely check it out. They have Skechers. What else do they have there? Crocs. Okay, let's just go towards Nike. I think they always have some good deals in Nike here. I think it's still under construction. There's something here, Gongyon Ma La Thang. God knows if I pronounce that correct. If you know, just drop that in the comment section. There's some typical South Asian kind of outlets they have at the bottom. So guys, just came off Nike. Didn't find much interesting stuff there. I kind of felt like it's pricey out there. At least most of them. I think it's like $100, $200, which is again like, I don't know, I find it to be higher end. So let's just go to the next floor and see what they have. Okay, this is what they have at the basement. Boss, again it's an outlet. Let's see how they have. And then it's a huge escalator. I think it's mostly food up there and nothing else. Yeah, it's food and like home stuff. Home, like it's mostly like the home center one that we have. Nothing. No, I don't think I'd be interested to go there because you guys also don't want to see. I hope. I'm guessing. So this is what we have there. Let's just go to the basement and see what they've got there. Because I gotta go now straight to the bay front where actually we came from. So there's nothing here. I see fossil. It's again like the basement, the usual stuff that they have. They have Swarovski here. And then, see, there you go, they have Boss. I actually want a white one from them actually. They do have some pretty good collections. They have 480%. It's okay guys, nothing great, maybe because I've been to a lot of outlet malls out there, but you guys tell me, what do you think about the collection here and how would you kind of rate this? There is Michael Kors 50% off. There's Victoria's Secret there. I think you kind of get all the stuff, bottom bodies here. So thank you so much guys for watching the video. I hope you liked it. So as you can see, there's a lot of sale happening in this mall. And I did buy a couple of Pumas and got some Kick-Ass F1 t-shirt as well. So yeah, if you would like to get all these amazing stuff for a decent and a pretty reasonable price, then do check this mall out. And once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and leave a thumbs up guys. Until we meet next time, cheers, bye bye.